Hey Bollywood Life, thank you for awarding me with the Best Musician on YouTube award. I also want to thank all my fans and followers for voting for me and making me win this award. Lots of love.
Hey Unicorns, it's Mrinal Panchal and thank you so much guys for giving me this award. आपके वोट की वजह से मुझे ये अवार्ड मिला है आज. Thank you so much Bollywood Life for giving me this overnight star on TikTok. Thank you so much. Means a lot to me. This one is for my fans, my family. Thank you so much. I love you guys so much. Thank you. और ज़्यादा मेहनत करूँगी and I'll make you guys proud of me. Like I'm proud of you guys and proud of my. बहुत खुश हूँ मैं. Thank you so much.
लग रहा है ना हाथ में ट्रॉफी लेके खड़ा. देखो वर्क फ्रॉम होम मैंने सुना था, बट अवार्ड्स फ्रॉम होम ये होंगे ये मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था. हाय आई एम आरजे अभिनव एंड आई एम हियर टू थैंक यू ऑल गाइस फॉर मेकिंग मी विन द मोस्ट एक्सपेरिमेंटल क्रिएटर ऑन टिकटॉक अवार्ड ऑन bollywoodlife.com. दिल से धन्यवाद, दिल के हर कोने से धन्यवाद जिन्होंने भी मुझे वोट किया, जो डेली मेरी वीडियोस पे आके लाइक करते हैं, कमेंट करते हैं या कहीं भी अपनी फैमिली में शेयर करते हैं. आई रियली वांट टू थैंक यू ऑल गाइस एंड bollywoodlife.com. आप लोग ही हो जो मुझे मोटिवेट करते हो एक्सपेरिमेंट करने के लिए, इम्प्रोवाइजेशन करने के लिए. एंड आई होप दिस जर्नी कंटिन्यूज फॉरएवर मैन, फॉरएवर. जितने वायरस आने दो, हमारी और आपकी जर्नी चालू रहनी चाहिए. आई होप यू गाइज आर स्टेइंग इन एंड आप लोग सेफ हैं, आप लोग सुरक्षित हैं. एंड आई एम सो श्योर हम लोग इस वायरस के उस पार मिलने वाले हैं विद एक्चुअल ट्रॉफी वेरी सून. थैंक यू सो मच. आई होप सी यू सुपर सून.
Hey guys, this is your Manav Chabra aka Mr. MNV. Thank you so much Bollywood Life for giving me this Best TikTok Entertainer Male 2020 award. I am so happy. Thank you so much to all the fans out there जिन्होंने मेरे लिए वोट किया है. I'm feeling so lucky and so blessed to have a fam like this. Thank you so much guys. And I promise you आगे भी ऐसे काम चलता रहेगा and बहुत कुछ upcoming आने वाला है. So yes, be prepared. Thank you so much again.
Okay, acceptance speech time. bollywoodlife.com, thank you so much for the fan-friendly Instagrammer of the Year award. I genuinely did not think that I would win this one, but so many people apparently voted for me, and thank you so much, guys. Especially people who follow me on Instagram and voted for me, who like my content. This feels great. It's a great validation, and I'm a sucker for validation. Trust me. और ये अभी तक का मेरा पहला अवार्ड है in content creation. So yeah, this is special. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much bollywoodlife.com for awarding me with the Best Fitness Blogger of the Year award. It's really a privilege for me. I am grateful to everyone, all my followers and everyone who voted for me, had faith in me. And it really feels nice if your work is appreciated. And bollywoodlife.com, thank you so much for putting me on this platform.
Hey, namaste everyone. Hello everyone. Big thank you to bollywoodlife.com for awarding me with the Best Fitness Blogger of the Year award in 2020. Big thank you to you. Big thanks to all my followers who voted for me and made it possible. Always try putting out value-adding content for you guys so that one video at a time, one step at a time, I'm able to add some kind of value and self-improvement into your life. Keep hustling, keep working hard, keep staying fit.
Hey guys, I'm Gaurav. I'd like to thank BollywoodLife.com for giving me the Best Lifestyle Blogger Award 2020. And I'd like to thank everyone, each and every one of you who voted for me for this award. Thank you so much.
Hey guys, I would like to thank BollywoodLife.com for this beautiful award, which is Fashionista of the Year Male. And also I would like to thank all my followers who voted for me. This is kind of an appreciation for all the hard work which we do throughout the year. I love you.
Scene of the year. Thank you BollywoodLife.com for having such a unique, special concept for an award. Super thrilled to be getting this one.
Neeraj should be thrilled. Neeraj will be
Yeah,
very
yeah.
thrilled, even more thrilled.
And
Neeraj
this award
Madhav,
goes to
for Neeraj Madhav mainly.
and Zareen, because they were both fantastic in that scene. That's getting this award. Thank you so much, guys, for
He'll
this
be
one.
pretty thrilled. We're gonna tell him about. We're gonna call him after this with this, and of course everybody else in the team. Sumit, the editor, and Ketan Sodha, the music composer, who really made that scene impactful.
Yeah, and I think it's if a scene works, I think the credit goes to
Azim-
everybody
Azim
involved
Mullah,
in it.
my DOP, and all
It's
these
a collaborative
guys, so
effort.
Thanks for the team and thank you viewers.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, okay. Well, thank you very much. This comes as a surprise to me. Um, and I'm very humbly accept this award from Bollywood Live. But also, I must
Where's
add
your
that the
award?
actors
Where's your award?
where's my award? So add
What are you
that,
holding it?
actors are as good as the directors and the script. So all credit go to the entire team and the directors Raj and DK.
Thank you for the most impactful concept series. Thank you BollywoodLife.com for this very unique award.
Yeah, and I love how you have all these unique, distinct categories for all these awards. And I think for this one, I think we really need to thank the audience for embracing what we did and, and perhaps voting for it, even otherwise showing all the love. And we tried to just portray the scenario that is today, a concept that we thought we were being balanced and meaningful. And I'm glad that the audience took it that way.
Thank you again BollywoodLife.com for best thriller series. This is awesome.
And
we haven't got this specific award so far.
Yeah,
So
best thriller series.
Yeah,
Thank you
it's a
so
pretty
much.
cool one.
And thanks to all the viewers for showering your love on the series. Once again, we put a lot of effort in making the series, and I'm happy that you all enjoyed it.
Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Rasika Diggle. Thank you BollywoodLife.com for the award for the best supporting actress in a web series for Delhi Crime, and thank you to all those people who voted for me. I hope to continue to be a part of series which are compelling, which are sensitive, which are engaging, which are entertaining, and stories that connect with you. Thank you so much.
नमस्ते। सबसे पहले मेरा निवेदन है कि आप लोग, उम्मीद करता हूँ, लॉकडाउन की बड़ी गंभीरता से पालन कर रहे होंगे। सो घर के अंदर रहें, सुरक्षित रहें और मास्क का इस्तेमाल करें। होममेड मास्क घर पे भी बना सकते हैं, कॉटन के कपड़ों का। और ये बीमारी से लड़ने का ही तरीका है कि हम लॉकडाउन को गंभीरता से पालन करें और एक फिज़िकल डिस्टेंसिंग को मेंटेन रखें। और दुनिया बहुत सारी चुनौतियों से घिरी है और निकली है, इससे भी उबर जाएंगे। सो बहुत सारे क्रिएटिव काम है वो करें। और इस वीडियो के माध्यम से शुक्रिया BollywoodLife.com मुझे एक एक्टिंग में एक किस्म का सम्मान और नवाजने के लिए, सम्मान देने के लिए। सो स्टे सेफ, स्टे इनसाइड। थैंक यू।
Thanks BollywoodLife.com for Best Script Award. And
thank you.
Suman, do you have Suman on the line? And
So
that's-
Suman's our co-writer. So we wrote it together. All the brilliant ideas came from this unlikely face.
Yeah. Anything you want to say, Suman?
All credit goes to my friends and mentors, George and Lee. Okay, I thank Lee, and we had a lot of fun writing it. And thank you for giving us our first writing award, I guess, for them.
Yeah, first writing award. We got
First writing
nominations,
award, yeah.
but this is the first one. So pretty
Super.
cool.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for this. This one is special.
Thank you.
Thank you, BollywoodLife.com, for the Best Director Award. And, thank you so much for this award.
Thank you for the viewers for voting for us and for all the love. We put in a lot of effort, and we are very happy to reap all these rewards. Thank you so much.
Keep watching.
For season 2.
Season 2, yeah.
Hey guys, thank you BollywoodLife.com, and thank you my fans. Thank you all of you who voted for me, and y'all have chosen me as the best actress for my performance in Delhi Crime, which is on Netflix. The part I play is Vartika Chaturvedi, extremely dear to me. Thank you for all the votes, all the love, all the appreciation. It means the world to me. I wish I could be there present to pick up my trophy, but well, I'm looking forward to holding it in my hand whenever everything settles down. And meanwhile, stay safe, stay at home, take care of yourselves.
Thank you so much for this award, Bollywood Life. It means a lot. It's wonderful that this is actually my first award since I, have entered this industry, and it's only right because I started this journey on social media, and I love social media. I love being able to interact with everyone on there. I love making content for social media. I love putting it out there. I enjoy it a lot, and I'm so glad I get to do it. And I'm so glad I'm getting appreciated for it now. So thank you so much. It means a lot, and thank you.
Thank you so much, Bollywood Life. That's actually quite a cool title, a Troll Assassin of the Year. I know a bunch of trolls out there who won't be really happy for this title that I've won, but guys, you're my best friends. I think you and I just really get along well because you help me to exercise my sense of humor, or just sense at times. So thank you so much for that. I dedicate this award to all the trolls out there. Thank you so much, Bollywood Life. I shall remember this as a pathetic reply. Thank you.
Hey guys, guess what? So I just won the Social Media Swag Star Female Award, and I want to say thank you so much to Bollywood Life Awards and to all my fans who voted for me. Yes, we did it. You already know my social media stays popping and entertaining for you guys. I love you so much. Thank you, and I hope to continue to entertain you in films and on my social media. Love you. Bye.